So here we've got this triangle. We got to find the altitude. We're finding this right here, H. Now, in order to do that, looking at what we have, we know the two angles here are 32 and 39. The three angles of the triangle are going to add to be 180. So that means this angle up at the top, the whole thing is 109. So that they add to be 180. So now we know an angle on the side across from it. That's a law of sines. So we set it up. We're going to try to find one of these two sides. We can either find this one on the left or the right. It doesn't matter. I'm going to do the one on the left because I like that better. So when we set this up, to find A first, we're going to set it up. A over sine 39 equals 2.35 over sine 109. These angles are in degrees, so when we type it into our calculator, we better be in degrees. So check your settings, make sure your angle is set to degrees, otherwise you're going to get the whole thing wrong for no good reason. So now we got to solve this. So it's 2.35 times sine 35, or sine 39. And then we're dividing by sine 109. So that's A. 2.35 times sine 39 divided by sine 109. A is 1.564. I'm going to store that answer in my calculator so that I don't have to retype it and I can have it more precise. So now to find H, that's the opposite side in this right triangle on the left. We know the hypotenuse, we know this side is 32. We need to find the opposite side here. So that's a sine equals opposite, which I'm calling H for the height, over hypotenuse, 1.564. And we're solving for H, so it's going to be 1.564 times sine 32. Or better yet, I'm going to use the number that I have stored there, A, times sine 32. .829 we'll round it to. Now, that's, if there were units, we'd make sure we put that. If this said miles, we'd write miles. If it said feet, we'd write feet. We don't know, so we'll just leave it at the number.